welcome back to the channel. This is Isaac with Where Are We Going, and I'm here at Noovo's in Las Vegas at their open house event. I am in their first production unit of their beautiful Mercedes Sprinter Next. Last year, I introduced you their prototype at their reveal event in Lake Tahoe, and ever since they did few tweakings around, and I'm gonna show you everything that has made this Next even better. With a prototype, everybody's main issue was the width of the entrance, and they seem to have fixed it. I guess they have cut down the length of the countertop here at the Galley, roughly about like 8 to 10 inches, and now it makes a lot more sense. And now entrance into the van is so much more comfortable. Last year, for entertainment purposes, the screen that they were talking about was not really in the correct place, which they seem to have fixed it. Here at the ceiling, it has a slot for it, so the screen really comes out easily out of it. And then you can watch great entertainment in bed. This year, the sofa conversion now is easier and more straight up. In comparison to the prototype, it goes so much more further up, making it true lounge sofa. And it's amazing because now I can really sit up straight and enjoy my time in bed as if I was sitting on a sofa in a living room, so that's great. And not to mention that increasing the angle of the recline of the sofa or the bed provides even more space in the garage. All that space is extra height for taller toys. It's unbelievable. The angle is almost 90 degrees of a recline. And just like in the bedroom, you can also control the reclining sofa from the back here. And it's very fast. As you can see, this is not sped up. It's really, really fast. They also added these steps here, right by the hitch. It's nicely labeled. And also these hydraulic arms that are assisting the closing and opening of the doors, which is a great addition. You can see, because these doors are heavy, so it adds extra aid when you're opening it. So I don't think these were available at the prototype. Also at the top of the door frame right here, there's more storage for all kinds of things, and there's 2 of them, which is really cool addition. This is like showing you how Noovo is utilizing every bit of space that is available, and not only inside but also on the exterior side. So this is really, really cool space. Besides having that huge garage, still allowing you to store all kinds of things anywhere in the van. And as you know, Noovo is known for their quality with their electrical systems, and this Next has 48-volt system here, and I think their electrical work is just phenomenal. It's top quality, top notch, and I think it represents the best electrical systems implemented on any Class B currently in the market. It still comes with a cassette toilet, a beautiful ladder that allows you to climb up to the roof where you have walkable solar panels on top. Amazing upgraded suspension system, great wheels, and an amazing Winch system. Yeah, so the Next is available now, and it's already being delivered to its new owners. You can basically jump onto the wait list as production of the Next is already taking place. So let's continue and see what else is happening here at the open house.
Buddy, how are you?
The best part of this weekend was the fact that not only I'm getting a Noovo out
and to drive it and enjoy it for the next few days. And I'll share everything with you. But hanging out with great Noovo family here and meeting old friends and making new ones. I'm here with Alyssa and Maggie and Paul and the Van Kaskis and Miles and Sloan and Neil and Britt and Theresa and Jason and Abby and my home buddy, my new friend, Jared.
What's up, dude? How are you? He was a great partner in crime. You were amazing this weekend. I actually love your content. I watched some of it last night.
Thank you.
I mean, I can't wait to do more for these events. Am I okay off camera? Because
you're amazing off camera. They don't know. This guy is the best guy. This is your best friend you want to have in your life, period.
Let's grab a beer.
Hands down.